When it comes to high-performance cookware, few names command as much respect as All-Clad. Their D3 3-ply stainless steel saucepan with lid is no exception, delivering professional-grade quality for both home and restaurant kitchens. This review takes an in-depth look at the features, benefits, and overall performance of this versatile 3-quart saucepan, showing why it's a top contender for your cookware collection. Key features that set the All-Clad D3 apart. Number 1. Tri-Ply construction for optimal performance. At the heart of the All-Clad D3 saucepan is its innovative Tri-Ply construction. This design layers stainless steel around a core of aluminum, ensuring excellent heat distribution and retention. The result? Even cooking every time, whether you're simmering a delicate sauce or boiling grains. Number 2. Premium 1810 stainless steel interior. The high-grade stainless steel interior resists corrosion and doesn't react with food, preserving the flavor of your recipes. Its non-porous surface is perfect for searing, sautéing, and deglazing, making this pan a versatile powerhouse in the kitchen. Number 3. Durable and versatile design. The All-Clad D3 saucepan is built to last, backed by All-Clad's limited lifetime warranty. The double-riveted handles provide a secure grip, while the polished stainless steel finish adds a timeless elegance to your cookware collection. It's oven and broiler safe up to 600 degrees Fahrenheit and compatible with all cooktops, including Induction. Number 4. Ergonomic features for everyday use. The saucepan's design prioritizes user convenience. Its size and depth make it ideal for a wide variety of cooking tasks, from preparing sauces to reheating leftovers. The included stainless steel lid traps moisture and flavors, making it easier to achieve consistent results. Number 5. Easy maintenance. While hand washing is recommended to preserve its finish, the stainless steel construction is inherently easy to clean. With a bit of care, this saucepan will maintain its polished appearance and performance for years to come. Why the All-Clad D3 saucepan stands out. Unparalleled heat distribution. One of the standout features of the All-Clad D3 is its ability to evenly distribute heat across the cooking surface. Whether you're crafting a delicate bechamel or reducing a robust marinara, this saucepan ensures precision and consistency. Versatility for various recipes. From hearty stews to creamy soups, the 3-quart capacity is ideal for small to medium servings. Its compatibility with all cooktops, including Induction, makes it a practical choice for any kitchen. Trusted brand legacy. All-Clad has been a trusted name in cookware for decades. Their commitment to quality craftsmanship is evident in the D3 series, which combines performance, durability, and aesthetic appeal. Ideal uses for the All-Clad D3 saucepan. 1. Sauces and gravies. The stainless steel surface is perfect for deglazing and achieving rich, flavorful sauces. 2. Boiling and simmering. From boiling pasta to simmering soups, the 3-quart capacity is ideal for everyday tasks. 3. Reheating and leftovers. The saucepan's even heating makes it excellent for reheating without scorching. Customer testimonials. The best saucepan I've ever owned. I've been using this saucepan daily for over a year and it still looks brand new. The even heat distribution and ease of cleaning make it a joy to use. Professional quality at home. As a home cook, I appreciate how versatile and durable this pan is. It handles everything from sauces to stews with ease. Worth every penny. I hesitated at first because of the price, but this saucepan is an investment that pays off. It has transformed the way I cook. Performance. The Tri-Ply construction guarantees even cooking. Durability. Backed by All-Clad's lifetime warranty. Versatility. Works on all cooktops and is oven safe up to 600 degrees Fahrenheit. Aesthetic appeal. The polished stainless steel finish elevates any kitchen. Health-conscious design. Non-reactive materials preserve food flavor. Tips for care and maintenance. 1. Always allow the pan to cool before washing to prevent warping. 2. Use a mild cleanser and soft sponge to maintain its shine. 3. Avoid using high heat settings to extend the life of the pan's finish. Conclusion. This All-Clad D3 3-ply stainless steel saucepan with lid delivers exceptional performance, versatility, and durability that meets the demands of professional chefs and home cooks alike. Its Tri-Ply construction ensures even cooking, while its premium stainless steel design adds elegance and reliability to your kitchen. Whether you're a culinary enthusiast or someone looking for dependable cookware, this saucepan is a worthy investment. Its versatility, combined with All-Clad's reputation for quality, makes it a must-have addition to any kitchen. If you enjoyed this review, like the video, and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.